Hello everyone, welcome back to Want to Step. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can voice message on Telegram. So to voice message someone on Telegram, first up open Telegram app on your device. Once you are on the app, select any text or message box you want to send voice message. Suppose I have selected this, and in the message box at the corner you can see some audio option which is also represented as a mic sign. Click on it for a long time or press on it to send a long voice message, and click on it for a short time to send a short voice message. Moreover, you can send voice messages like this on Telegram. If you found the video to be helpful, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us.